long time. That's a double qualifier. All right, across the line for the first time, and ZANDER getting to the lead. BRADEN got to the 2 spot, but he's going to give it to RYLAN there, heading up the hill. Oh no, BRADEN having some kind of issue, dead in the water there at the anthill. Rip. ZANDER is gone. Goodbye, ZANDER. Enjoy your 10 minutes of track time. It's a long race, anything could happen, but right now ZANDER NEIMOND is checking out. RYLAN in the 2 spot. Oh no, that truck's broke. It looks like diff case coming apart. Is John gonna drop out of this one? Let's find our leader, ZANDER. Wow, already going over the left side, big double right now. And into the grid is ZANDER. Second place just coming into the stairs now. Whew. ZANDER is gone. RYLAN running in the 2 spot there at those sweet red wheels. But he's about to have company. RICKENBAUGH coming up on him. Oh, RYLAN going to get stuck in the pipe. HUD going by into the 2 spot. And they've got GOODREAU not far behind. And it's Matt Adams, Paul Bruce, Rich Willow, Chris NORNOLD. Now NORNOLD going to go up to 7. Looks like Willow going to drop to 8 after getting it wrong off the step off. And then the LOGAN-ATOR, Joe, John, and BRADEN. Coming up on the halfway of this one, almost 5 minutes in. And ZANDER out to a 20-second lead, not quite on pace to lap the field. Something tells me he'll be an intermediate in the near future. Caution back doubles, caution back doubles. And that's all cleared up. So Zander way out front, heading into the stairs right now. RYLAN is still in second, still with HUD right behind him. Matt Adams was up into that 3 spot for a little bit, but gonna drop back into the 4 now. So we got 2 red buggies. That's your battle for second. RYLAN, a nice move to the inside, but HUD takes it back. Eight down and 2 to go. Zander just holding the same lead right now. He stopped pulling farther away. He's just chilling, just holding that same 20-second gap that he has been. RYLAN having a rough time on the right side there, but somehow he had a whole bunch of breathing room on HUD. HUD just barely going to get by him at the end of that there. And here comes Matt Adams' son up in this group as well. So you're watching HUD in second, RYLAN in third, coming down the stairs in those red buggies, and then Matt Adams in the blue, orange, and white right behind him, 2, 3, 4 across the line. Paul Bruce in the 5 spot. Then Aaron and Chris pretty close together for 6th. Joe, Rich, Logan, Ian, John, and Braden. Drivers, that is the tone. We're racing the line. We are racing the line. It looks like HUD going to be able to hang on to second here. Oh, Matt Adams was making a good attempt there to try to get to RYLAN's wing. It's just going to cause a bobble, and he's going to stay where he was in fourth. So HUD going to finish 2, RYLAN 3, Matt 4. We got Zander Neiman out there on a victory lap on the step up and step off. Zander taking a convincing and dominating win here in Novice. Just a couple cars finishing up now.
Yeah, no, we missed it. I thought